Hello, parents and little ones. Get ready for a fruity journey. We're diving into the world of colorful fruits. Toddlers will giggle with joy as they learn about names, colors, and yummy tastes. And here's a fun twist: by rhyming, they'll uncover the vitamins in these fruits. Let's make fruit learning a tasty adventure together. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, full of vitamins. Hooray, hooray! Vitamin C for a strong, healthy heart, and fiber for digestion. It's a tasty start for toddlers so small. It's a growth delight, with nutrients galore, making them strong and bright. Avocado green, a toddler's boon, packed with vitamins, like a sunny noon. Vitamin K for bones so strong, healthy fats, a growth song, for little ones growing, strong and bright. Avocado makes growth a tasty, healthy delight. Bananas yellow, a toddler's delight, packed with goodness, oh so right. Vitamin B6 for a happy mood, and potassium, a growth elixir, is so good, for little ones growing, strong and tall. Bananas are a snack that tops them all. Blackberries dark, a toddler's treat, packed with vitamins, oh so sweet. Vitamin C for a strong immune, antioxidants, like a fruity tune, for little ones growing, healthy, and bright. Blackberries make growth a delicious delight. Blueberries are small, a toddler's delight, packed with vitamins, oh, so bright. Vitamin C for a strong defense, antioxidants, a fruity sense, for little ones growing in every way. Blueberries make growth a tasty array. Cantaloupe orange, a toddler's delight, full of vitamins, a healthy flight. Vitamin A for eyes so bright, hydration in every bite, for little ones growing, healthy, and sweet. Cantaloupe makes growth a delicious treat. Cherries red, a toddler's delight, packed with vitamins, oh so bright. Vitamin C for a strong defense, antioxidants, a fruity pretense, for little ones growing, healthy, and sweet. Cherries make growth a delicious feat. Coconuts white, a toddler's dream, packed with vitamins, it would seem. Vitamin C for a strong defense, healthy fats are a growth pretense, for little ones growing, healthy, and sweet. Coconuts make growth a tropical treat. Dates so sweet, a toddler's delight, packed with vitamins, a healthful sight. Vitamin B6 for energy and flight, fiber for digestion, oh so right, for little ones growing, day by day. Dates make growth a tasty array. Dragon fruit pink, a toddler's delight, vitamins packed, a colorful sight. Vitamin C for a strong defense, fiber for digestion, it's so immense, for little ones growing, healthy, and bright. Dragon fruit makes growth a fruity delight. Figs so sweet, a toddler's delight, packed with vitamins, oh so right. Vitamin K for bones so strong, fiber for digestion is a tasty song, for little ones growing, healthy, and bright. Figs make growth a sweet, nutritious bite. Guavas green, a toddler's delight, packed with vitamins, oh so bright. Vitamin C for a strong immune, fiber for digestion, like a sweet tune, for little ones growing, healthy, and sweet. Guavas make growth a tasty treat. Jackfruit yellow, a toddler's cheer, vitamins packed, oh, it's so near. Vitamin C for a strong immune, fiber for digestion, like a fruity tune, for little ones growing, strong and bright. Jackfruit makes growth a tasty delight. Kiwi green, a toddler's glee, vitamins packed, as you can see. Vitamin C for a strong defense, fiber for digestion, it makes sense, for little ones growing, strong and bright. Kiwi makes growth a delicious bite. Lemons yellow, a toddler's zest, packed with vitamins, the best. Vitamin C for a strong defense, a citrus burst, a health pretense, for little ones growing, day by day. Lemons make growth a zesty, healthy way. Lemons yellow, a toddler's zest, packed with vitamins, the best. Vitamin C for a strong defense, a citrus burst, a health pretense, for little ones growing, day by day. Lemons make growth a zesty, healthy way. Lychees sweet, a toddler's delight, vitamins packed, oh, what a sight. Vitamin C for a strong immune, fiber for digestion, like a sweet tune, for little ones growing, healthy, and bright. Lychees make growth a fruity delight. Mangoes golden, a toddler's cheer, rich in vitamins, crystal clear. Vitamin A for eyes so bright, fiber for digestion is just right, for little ones growing, strong and sweet. Mangoes make growth a delicious feat. Melons juicy, a toddler's dream, packed with vitamins, and a vibrant theme. Vitamin A for eyes so bright, hydration in every bite, for little ones growing, healthy, and sweet. Melons make growth a delicious feat. Olives small, a toddler's cheer, packed with vitamins, so dear. Vitamin E for a healthy glow, good fats, a growth show, for little ones growing, strong and bright. Olives make growth a delightful bite. Peaches so soft, a toddler's dream, full of vitamins, a tasty scheme. Vitamin A for eyes so bright, fiber for digestion, is a pure delight, for little ones growing, healthy, and strong. Peaches make growth a fruity song. Pears so sweet, a toddler's delight, packed with vitamins, a healthy bite. Vitamin C for a strong immune, fiber for digestion, like a gentle tune, for little ones growing, day by day. Pears make growth a tasty way. Pineapple sweet, a toddler's delight, packed with vitamins, oh, so bright. Vitamin C for a strong immune, fiber for digestion is a tasty boon, for little ones growing, healthy, and strong. Pineapple makes growth a fruity song. Plums so purple, a toddler's joy, packed with vitamins, oh so coy. Vitamin K for bones so strong, fiber for digestion, a health song, for little ones growing, plum by plum. Plums make growth a tasty, healthy sum. Pomegranates red, a toddler's glee, rich in vitamins, a fruity key. Vitamin C for a strong defense, antioxidants are a health expense, for little ones growing, healthy, and strong. Pomegranates make growth a fruity song. Raspberries red, a toddler's delight, vitamins in each bite, oh so right. Vitamin C for a strong immune, fiber for digestion, like a sweet tune, for little ones growing, healthy, and bright. Raspberries make growth a fruity delight. Star fruit bright, a toddler's delight, vitamins packed, oh, what a sight. Vitamin C for a strong defense, a fruity burst, a taste so immense, for little ones growing, healthy, and bright. Starfruit makes growth a celestial delight. Strawberries red, a toddler's delight, full of vitamins, oh, what a sight. Vitamin C for a strong immune, and antioxidants, like a burst of bloom, for little ones growing, sweet and bright. Strawberries make growth a pure delight. Tangerines bright, a toddler's joy, vitamins packed, a citrusy toy. Vitamin C for a strong defense, a burst of flavor, a tasty pretense, for little ones growing, healthy, and sweet. Tangerines make growth a delightful feat. Watermelon pink, a toddler's bliss, vitamins aplenty, can't miss. Vitamin A for eyes so bright, hydration's key, it's just right, for little ones growing, juicy and sweet. Watermelon makes growth a tasty treat. Thank you for joining our fruity journey. We hope your little ones had a blast discovering the wonders of fruits. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more delightful learning adventures. Until next time, happy munching!